Steam Deck fans are like, he left us. He left us. No, I didn't. What's up, Steam Deck fans? You know, Steam Deck Tribe, Steam Deck Nation, Steam Deck Universe, Steam Deck World, Steam Deck Legion was good. Steam Deck Mob was happening. Steam Deck Squad was up. And to you Steam Deck nerds, geeks, and freaks, and you investigators, what's happening? You're like, he left us. He left us. Remember Jurassic Park? What's up, gamers? All right, what I got for you? All right, talking about the Steam Deck here. Got 3 articles here. One on removing non-Steam apps and cleaning up on Steam Deck Linux desktop. The other one is Steam Deck gets overhauled with new overlay and Steam Deck big stable update. And then Valheim gets Valheim gets upgraded to improve it performance and major fixes. Look at you, Steam Deck fans, always getting you and your games, your deals, and your updates. Anyway, let's do this. So here, okay, says here, removing non-Steam apps and clean up on Steam Deck Linux desktop. Says here, a change that Valve missed in big recent upgrade of the Steam client is that on Linux system, either desktop or Steam Deck, removing non-Steam apps should now be cleaner. Previously, if you added something into Steam that ended up making a shader cache compatibility data, like running something with Proton, when you remove shortcuts from Steam, it would leave everything behind. That will no longer be the case, as Valve developer peer Luke Griffius mentioned on Twitter. Linux change we forgot to call out in the new client. Removing non-Steam apps now properly removes all related fixes like shaders, caches, and compatibility data, which could previously be left as other stage space. So people can eventually stop asking, what's taking up all my other storage, which has been an ongoing problem since the Steam Deck release, and especially a problem on the 64 gig Steam Deck model. And even though Valve actually supports non-Steam apps directly, it's nice to see them make steps to make experience better. See, told you, they are improving the Steam Deck. Now, the other one is this: Steam Deck gets overhauled, new overlay Steam Deck big stable update. Valve has now released the latest big update to the Steam client, which brings its various user interface and new in-game Steam overlay. This is the update they announced back in April, which, I mean, with it being promoted for beta or to stable, while there's plenty of tweaks, Valve said the biggest change aren't actually user visible, because they change how we share code across the Steam desktop client big picture mode in Steam Deck, resulting in quicker implementations and iteration of new features, and now much code is shared between them. Some of what new includes various tweaks to Steam app user interface, richer notification, a whole new in-game overlay that lets you makes note and pin windows on top of games, hardware acceleration for Linux and Mac OS. Here's an example of the new in-game overlay. Another update to the Steam Deck. You guys are always getting spoiled. Really great update. Actually, the new overlay is many times more useful than the one before. See, updates make the user experience more better. See, told you so. The note system is a good idea, and having it synced to your Steam account so you have it anywhere is really quite useful. Check out Valve's overview video. This says full Steam desktop app change can be seen in their blog post. Over on the Steam Deck, we finally have a fresh, stable client update, as well as bundling together a whole lot of tweaks and changes Valve has been putting out in the beta. Naturally, a lot of this is the same of what found on desktop, since they are sharing codes now. But there are very specific Steam Deck tweaks, like fixing the notorious issue of the Steam Deck claiming it cannot reach Steam servers when resuming from sleep. Most of it it's bug fixing, but there's also there these addition and changes. And let's see here, what do they have for the changes? Here go your updates. It says here add support for notification type shown in desktop client and mobile app. Wish list trade offers, Steam turns, help request, major sale comment. Add a bell icon to the header when there are new notification and a green indicator to new notification in the notification list. Apply text filtering preference in the guide in the overlay. Expand the hitbox of buttons in the footer to make them easier to click. Improve performance of dual trackpad typing in the virtual keyboard. Any button press will now cancel the way custom startup movie. Change the game invitation to show the launch option dialog instead of using the first option in the list. If the user has selected an option and asked to remember it, that option will be used instead of showing the dialog box. Add support for mouse back on B in the interface. Search will now return tags in addition to games. You can search for categories like free to play or individual tags like survival or zombies. Enable additional toast notifications that are previously only visible in desktop mode. Restore display or special offers in what's new section of the home screen. Yeah, look at you Steam Deck fans, always getting spoiled. Alright, now, what's the next one? We're talking about Valheim here. Valheim's getting updates. It says Valheim get upgrade to improve performance and fix major bugs. Iron Gates have released the latest update to Valheim, their co-op open world survival game, and it should be good for all players. This is not a content upgrade, but rather a tech upgrade aimed at just improving the overall experience. They said it includes a lot of work on the underlying system of the game to improve game and network performance. You should also see improved load times and smaller save files. They said hopes that these changes will be a significant improvement of you. Then it says, here's what's changed in patch 0216.9. Midsummer items enable Maypole and Midsummer Crowns. Many performance memory network improvement for both new/unexplored and old explored worlds. World save files greatly reduced. Fixes endless load of save managers when switching tabs too. World save files that are corrupt, have load errors, or have missing meta files can now be restored from the most recent backup directly from within the select world menu by pressing the start button. Save file stabilities and issue fix. Decrease load times in the manage save menu. Fix a bug that would cause the graphical user interface to not update when deleting. The bottommost backup in the manage save menu, and automatic backup is made when starting in a world in a new version, and a permanent backup is created when loading into a new world version. Fix a world load issue between versions. You can no longer load into a world from a game version that is newer than your current game version. Fix hitbox issues for close combat and spear throwing issues. Minimaps pin put input fixes on Steam Deck big picture mode. Minimap text input fix for certain Asian language. And Valheim is available on the Humble and Steam store. Now, you Steam Deck fans are what? Covered with your deals, your games, and your updates. And every update that the Steam Deck gets, it improves the player experience. It improves the overall experience of the Steam Deck. So updates will always come in on a consistent basis. And I'll always try to keep you guys posted whenever those come out. So yeah, you Steam Deck fans are covered. And we're just in June right now. And there's July, then there's August, and more deals and updates will be coming out. So yes, the Steam Deck will be getting Steam Deck will be getting more updates as time goes on, and I will keep you guys posted. Other than that, enjoy your Steam Decks, enjoy the games that you're playing, have fun, have a blast, and keep gaming. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars and Star Trek fan. Dark Side. Go. Peace.